Hey there! Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's buzzing in the energy sector. Have you heard about these new plug-in solar panels? They're like a game changer for anyone looking to save on their energy bills. But here's the catch: utilities are not exactly thrilled about this innovation. Let's explore why. So, imagine being able to easily install a solar panel on your balcony or backyard and instantly start reducing your electricity costs. That's the promise of these plug-in solar kits. They're gaining traction in the US, especially with rising energy concerns. But the real story is the battle between consumers and utilities. You see, in the US, utilities often require complex connection agreements for rooftop solar installations. These agreements can double the cost of solar panels. But here's the twist: states like Utah are passing laws to exempt plug-in solar from these agreements, making them more accessible. This is a huge deal because it empowers consumers to take control of their energy usage. Now, utilities are pushing back, citing safety concerns. They argue that these plug-in panels could shock people or endanger lightworkers during outages. But here's my take: these concerns are valid, but they're not unique to plug-in solar. Any electrical appliance has risks. What's interesting is that utilities are more worried about losing business than actual safety. Every kilowatt-hour generated by these panels is one less sold by the utility. What many people don't realize is that this is a classic case of disruptive innovation. Plug-in solar is a threat to the traditional utility business model, and utilities are fighting back by raising safety flags. It's a strategy we've seen before, and it's working. They've delayed legislation in several states. But here's the silver lining: Germany has embraced plug-in solar, and they've had over 1 million installations with no reported safety incidents. This shows that with proper standards and certifications, like the UL Solutions certification, these concerns can be addressed. And it's happening. Manufacturers are already working towards getting their products certified. Personally, I think this is a pivotal moment for the energy industry. Plug-in solar has the potential to democratize energy generation, giving power back to the people, quite literally. It's a step towards a more sustainable and consumer-driven energy future. But it also highlights the challenges of disrupting established industries. So, will plug-in solar prevail in the US? It's a battle worth watching. The outcome will shape not just our energy bills, but also the future of renewable energy adoption. Stay tuned, because this story is far from over.